Day 32. Day 32. Big Mike and David in the house again. Let's see. We read the book. Like, read it. But I still have 5 chapters to go. There's 17 total. I have 5 to go. So I'm going to read it and then I'm going to listen to it. And then once I'm done listening to it, I'm going to publish the last 2 days of the day. So day 30 and day 31, they're going to be published. And then once I publish those, I want to do a quick ClickFunnels review just for the practice of it. ClickFunnels review, and then funnel scripts review and active campaign review. And I have to call active campaign. To make sure that they delete all my contacts, because I have 20,000 contacts that I just imported from ClickFunnels and it won't let me do anything. So it would be sweet to start doing, I think I'm gonna do that. Start doing videos on funnel scripts or copywriting secrets. That way I can start publishing on those. Just created copywriting section on my YouTube channel. I did create a copywriting channel, but like that's a lot of work. I'll just focus on one channel. I don't think I have the capacity for myself to be able to monitor 3 channels as a one-man army. So David is always here to help me. So Vika, why are you messing with your rash again? He's got a rash on here. It's bad. It's bad. But it's cool. It's cool. It's gonna get better. Anyways, guys. So the plan of the day would be to, 1, finish reading the book. Once I'm finished reading the book, I'm gonna listen to the full audio, which is 1 hour long. By the way, I do that in the morning and at night. I wanna have this thing memorized. And then once that's done, I will be uploading the videos and then creating the 3 tutorials. I gotta fix this desk, man. Right now I'm standing. I don't know if you guys know. Maybe it looks better this way. I think I'm gonna put it down. That way it's less daunting. It is tiring to be able to record 3 videos and then edit them and then publish them. It takes like 4 hours, and being 4 hours on your feet while having it's a struggle. It's a struggle. So anyways, I will see you guys. See you guys in a little bit. I'll see you in the second piece of the day. When I come back, I'm gonna have my vision rewritten. So the thing that I read yesterday is gonna be rewritten every single day. And the 3 videos will be done. And then the 2 videos, so 5 videos published. It's a big promise, but we're gonna get through it today. We're doing each act in an efficient manner. Something out of here. Highly recommend people to read it. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Peace. Hey, what's up everybody? Big Mike in the house. Let's see. This is my 4th video for today. And then when Vika, stop playing with it. It's the video is already recorded.
Yeah, I know.
So why are you messing with it? Dang. This is gonna be my 4th video for today. So we did 3 other ones, 2 of the daily ones, and then 1. I did a affiliate course review for Spencer Meckham. The idea was just to buckle down and narrow down only on that course. That way the money can start rolling in. If I can make freaking $5,000, I'll be happy. Because I can prolong my existence. Let's see, what else did I do? Good progress today on the science of getting rich. But something interesting happened. A book came in that I ordered 2 days ago, which is called The Richest Man in Babylon. And I read the book. It's my 3rd time reading it. and it's my third time like playing with compound interest. So I've been like a few times I already sat down with somebody that knows numbers and knows Excel, and I would just put in the numbers. What would this look like at this rate for this many years? And I don't know, just playing with compound interest was interesting. I can't remember. We did so many different numbers. My brother, he went to college and he did a lot of numbers, so he's pretty good with Excel. Anyways, we sat down and we jotted some numbers down, and I'm thinking like right now, 100 million or 100 billion dollars, 114, whatever it is right now. That's the richest man in the world. I'm sure it's going to be a lot more because of inflation and things like that. It's going to be a lot more. When it's my time to become a billionaire, and I don't know, just playing with it made it so real in my head, and like I can't stop, like wow, it's really possible. I don't know. And we did numbers like 15%, 12%, 10%, 13%, over 50, 60 years. It came out to be different numbers. Half a trillion dollars, $200 billion, like a lot, just playing with it, which was interesting. But the book, the thing that inspired me to do that is Richest Man in Babylon. I don't know, since I'm more prone to action now, like reading that book made it a little bit different to me. I was like, wow, like if you're gonna be a billionaire one day, like you have to start saving one day. Like it's not just gonna pop out one day, like you build up to it. I don't know. For me, it was this fantasy, like I'm gonna be a billionaire, but like I never actually laid down a path on how I would do it. So today was the day, which is cool. But yeah, so this is gonna be the 4th video. Man, I want to spend the whole day tomorrow. Well, obviously do the video of the day and do some kind of review or affiliate course, whatever the review is. But I want to spend the day building bonuses for affiliate secrets, because I was inspired by a video. I went on YouTube and I typed in affiliate secrets review 2.0 for Spencer Mecham, and there was a guy on there, second, he ranked second, and his video didn't even do a review really. It was a sales pitch the whole time, basically saying, hey, here's a list of bonuses. He gave away 7 bonuses for different things, Facebook marketing, things like that. Yeah, and he was giving out his thing, whatever. Well, basically, he created bonuses, and then with those bonuses, he would sell affiliate secrets. And I just looked at that. I was like, wow, that's what I need to do. I need to create bonuses. Like, there's no incentive to act at all. Like, if I just throw my link out there, but like, if I have 7 bonuses that are gonna make it so much easier for you to apply the course or whatever, like, so much more valuable. And if there's urgency and scarcity with that, and like I said, I should just buckle down on affiliate marketing secrets. I mean, ClickFunnels won't let me promo right now, other than Traffic Secrets. I don't have the book. I read the book. I'm kind of scared of it. Active Campaign is good, but like, I can't even do reviews right now because my thing is messed up. Funnel scripts, that's what I could be focusing on, but it's not. You can't really market it. You can, but it's just, I don't know. It's not my thing. Affiliate marketing is so easy to promote, and it's so easy to create bonuses for. And there's 2 courses that I bought already that I have that I can promote, both be an affiliate for. John Crestani's course and Spencer Mecham's course. So I'll just create like 10 bonuses. But the idea is to learn how to create e-covers for the products. So like when you offer bonuses, it has to like look good, like a digital product. So I gotta learn how to do that. Once I do that, I'll be able to just take the page and then give them that, like a video sales letter. I'll be like, this is the bonuses that you get with the product, but these are my bonuses that you get with it if you act within this time frame. I don't know, I think that'd be cool. And if I can make 5K, 10K, 15K, 20K.
100K.
Because David said 100K.
A million.
Yeah, we're gonna be a billionaire. Billionaires. Well, I am.
Trillion.
Because, okay, guys.